can see how you can see how hard those trees are blowing, being blown by the wind here in Belleview, Florida. And this is because the tropical storm phase is still over Florida some. And today's Thursday, so August 21st, 2008, so you can tell how hard the wind's blowing. I'd say it's blowing at least 20 miles an hour, if not more than that, for it to do something like that. Some of the trees in the back you can hardly see. They're being blown by the wind too. I guess you can see some of those trees are moving, so. This is outside my patio at my apartment in Bellevue, Florida, at MeadowField Apartments. You can see that bush right there. The winds are blowing pretty good. And the patio, around the patio looks a little flooded somewhat, because when it rains hard my patio gets flooded a little. There's not much I can do about it. If there was a way to somehow make the water go down to where there's a drainage here, instead of making it come straight up here to the side of the patio, that would be great, so I don't have to worry about my patio being flooded. So those trees being blown around too. Well, it's really windy out here too. Here comes the rain again, a song by the Eurythmics in 1984. This obviously shows how strong that wind's blowing that rain around, and how wet my window is outside my apartment here in Bellevue, Florida. So see, the tree's blowing pretty hard too.